fellow travelers, and welcome back to my channel. On this video we'll explore together the pearl of the Mediterranean, Alexandria. We'll see the must-see places, delicious food to try, and we'll explore together this beautiful destination, Alexandria.
Deep below the streets of Alexandria lies the catacombs of Qom el-Shukafa, an archaeological wonder that ranks among the 7 wonders of the Middle Ages. Descending via spiral staircase, visitors first reach the rotunda leading to the Hall of Caracalla, named for the Roman emperor, but possibly a burial place for Christians or gladiators. The central tomb features carved figures wearing Roman togas and Egyptian headdresses, a testament to Alexandria's multicultural influences. There is also a banquet hall known as the Triclinium, where relatives would commemorate the dead with ceremonial meals. The catacombs were used as a private tomb, but later expanded into a communal burial chamber. The name Qom el-Shukafa means Mound of Shards, a reference to the broken pottery once found at the site, left by ancient visitors who discarded food containers and oil lamps before entering. It was discovered by accident in 1900 when a donkey fell through the ground. These catacombs date back to the 2nd century AD and showcases a fascinating blend of Egyptian, Greek, and Roman funerary art. Pompey's Pillar and the Serapeum. Pompey's Pillar is a towering Roman column built in honor of Emperor Diocletian. It's one of the few remaining relics of the ancient Serapeum temple complex. The monument stands some 27 meters high, including its base. It's made from granite and originally would have supported a statue some 7 meters tall. Our next stop is the ancient Roman theater, also known as Qom el-Dekka. It is a neighborhood and archaeological site. It was a residential area, and later it was a major civic center in Alexandria, with a vast complex, auditorium, and a theater. The theater is semicircle with auditorium seats. The seats are made of marble. The stage area features fine acoustics. If you stand in the center and speak, your voice echoes clearly across the rows. It provides large amount of archaeological evidence of urban life in Roman Egypt, including early villas and their mosaics and late Roman public works. Today, Qom el-Dekka is the largest and most complete above-ground archaeological site in Alexandria.
When you order seafood in Alexandria, you're guaranteed to have the freshest seafood ever. It's coming straight from the sea to your plate right away. Most of the fish they serve here in Alexandria is either Mediterranean fish or Red Sea, and both of them are really fresh. As you can see behind me, this is the port. This is one of the ports in Alexandria. This is where they go fishing.
مقلي
ايوه
او بالزبده بلدي. عندنا شويه بربون تعبوير، بربون حجاري.
Next, we visit the Qaitbay citadel, built in the 15th century by Sultan Qaitbay. It stands where the ancient lighthouse of Alexandria once stood. The fortress offers panoramic sea view and insight into Alexandria's strategic importance through the ages. About 1480 AD, Sultan Qaitbay fortified the palace as part of his coastal defense against the Turks, who were threatening Egypt at that time. He built the fortress and placed a mosque inside it.
Trip to Alexandria would never be complete without visiting the Alexandria Library. It's a commemoration to the ancient Alexandria Library.
The Great Library of Alexandria was founded in the 3rd century BCE, was once the most significant place of knowledge in the ancient world. It is said to have held over 400,000 to 700,000 papyrus scrolls, covering everything from mathematics and astronomy to philosophy and poetry. Sadly, the original library was destroyed in stages, possibly by fires during Julius Caesar's siege on Egypt. After years of planning, design, and construction, the new library officially opened its doors in October 2002. The library has a circular design that is 71 meter high. Tilting disc is meant to mirror the sun rising over the sea, symbolizing enlightenment. The outer wall, covered in 6,400 square meters of Aswan granite, is inscribed with letters from over 120 different writing systems, from ancient hieroglyphs and Greek to Japanese, Braille, and Tamil, which is an Indian dialect. The main reading room consists of 11 levels and covers over 70,000 square meters, with a capacity of 2,000 readers, making it one of the largest reading space in the world. We have explored centuries of history, but just a short ride along the Corniche will leave the ancient behind and step into the beating heart of modern life. San Stefano Grand Plaza is one of Alexandria's most iconic landmarks. It houses a range of international and Egyptian brands, with luxury shopping, sea view dining, a cinema, a five-star hotel, and even private residence, all in one massive structure overlooking the Mediterranean. San Stefano is the perfect place to unwind after a long day of sightseeing, whether you're grabbing dinner, doing some shopping, or just people watching with a view. You can explore Alexandria's Corniche by riding a double-decker bus, which will take you about 30 minutes. Greco-Roman Museum is a true treasure of Egypt's classical past. It is one of my favorite places to visit in Alexandria. It showcases the city's rich Hellenistic heritage, reflecting Alexandria's role as a fusion of Egyptian, Greek, and Roman civilizations. The Greco-Roman Museum houses over 10,000 artifacts spanning from the 3rd century BCE to the 7th century CE. Many items were found in Alexandria and its surrounding archaeological sites like Kom el Dikka and Abu Qir. It has Roman emperors including Hadrian, Marcus Aurelius, and Augustus. the Greco-Roman Museum, it is definitely a true treasure to visit in Alexandria. Across the street from the Greco-Roman Museum, you'll find the Chocolate Factory and Salty, where you can grab a dessert, cappuccino, or you can have a meal. Le Métropole Hotel, a 100-year-old gem in the heart of Alexandria. It was built in 1902. This French-style hotel is a living postcard of Alexandria's golden age. It's one of the city's most elegant dining experiences. What sets this place apart isn't just the food, it's the ambience. Think golden light, classical music, antique furniture, and the echo of Alexandria's cosmopolitan golden age. Le Métropole rooftop or sea-facing dining room offers a unique blend of French fine dining and international cuisine, all with sweeping views of the harbor and the historic Corniche below. After fine dining and classical elegance, you might wonder, what did royalty do for leisure in Alexandria? To answer that, we journey east along the Mediterranean coast to a place where kings vacation and palm trees whisper secrets of the past. Welcome to the Montazza Palace and Gardens, one of Alexandria's most beautiful and serene escapes. Built in 1892 by Khedive Abbas II, the last ruler of Egypt under Ottoman rule, with stunning sea views, royal history, and a botanical tranquility. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another adventure. I've got more stories, more places, and more unforgettable journeys coming your way. Until next time, safe travels and see you on the next adventure.